Hello everyone, I'm Scott Sims from Watco. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to focus on the Watco system, which are the 4 SKUs every new construction plumber should know about. Let's start with the 901 Chrome Roughin Kit. This kit includes the high-flow 2-bar strainer body that flows up to 20% faster than traditional 4-bar strainer bodies, plus it includes the Innovator Overflow Elbow that eliminates behind-the-tub wall leaks. And it includes a test membrane and a drain plug. This is the base product. The next 3 products are trim kits. For basic chrome trims, Watco recommends the Chrome Stopper Faceplate. This product features a stopper and the snap-on high-flow Innovator Overflow plate that has more than twice the overflow capacity of traditional 1 or 2-hole overflow faceplates. If you want to upgrade the trim finish, we recommend either QuickTrim or Universal NuFit. The QuickTrim trim kit installs over coarse thread strainer bodies and includes the Innovator Overflow faceplate, a stopper, and a strainer body cover. It installs with an O-ring over the chrome roughed-in strainer body. It's an easy way to change the drain and overflow finish to match the plumbing fixtures without requiring removal of the drain. The Universal NuFit Tub Drain Cover Kit is another way to upgrade the drain finish. The Universal NuFit is available in 12 finishes, which include the Innovator Overflow faceplate. It can be purchased with or without a grid strainer that prevents hair clogs. And of course, all 4 recommended Watco products are backed by a 5-year limited warranty. So to summarize, these are the 4 Watco new construction products we recommend for plumbers. The base product, a 901 Chrome Roughin Kit. Then you trim with either a Chrome Stopper Faceplate, a QuickTrim trim kit, or Universal NuFit trim kit. And these products are available at plumbing wholesalers everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. I'm Scott Sims with Plumbing Tips.